guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Gmail notification not showing problem in Android. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting the problem of Gmail notification not showing on your Android mobile, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to open your Gmail app. You can see here top left side three line. Just tap on this. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here settings option. Just tap on this and you have to select the email ID, which mail ID's notification you want to enable it. After selecting the email ID, you can see here notification section. Just tap on this. In this, if it is selected as high priority only, you have to select the all. Below you can see here inbox notification. Just tap on this. In this you can see here notify for every message. You have to check mark this option, then go back. After that you need to open the settings. In this you need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here app management. Just tap on this. Guys, in this you can see here special app access. Just tap on this. Guys, in this you can see here notification access. Just tap on this. In this you can see here Google. Just tap on this. Guys, you have to allow this notification option. You have to enable this option. Allow to give the permission. Then go back. Guys, after doing this, hope your Gmail notification not showing problem will be fixed. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.